In today's episode, we'll talk about EIDL loan increase, economic injury disaster loan increase. It's very hard. A lot of small businesses can use help. So please stay tuned.
EIDL increase is such a hot topic right now. Would you be able to shed some light on that?
Economic injury disaster loan, when it initially came last year, the maximum amount was 150,000. Now, under the new relief program that was released a couple of weeks ago, SBA has extended the amount from 150,000 to $500,000. So if your business qualified for first EIDL, if you got some money and the maximum was 150, now you can go back and request SBA for additional funding under the same program.
Can I apply for EIDL if I have not applied before?
So if for any reason you did not apply for EIDL 1, and again that loan was there last year, you should still consider applying for EIDL 2 or expanded EIDL 1. In the new program, you can request money up to $500,000 under the EIDL program. So even if you did not apply, even if you did not get EIDL 1, you still should try to get EIDL 2.
So, Mr. Kumar, who is eligible for the EIDL increase loan?
Loan increase can be requested by almost everyone, especially people who got the first EIDL loan. SBA already have your documents. SBA already have your tax return, your application, your EIN, all the necessary documents are already there with SBA. So if you have the loan, if you got the EIDL 1, you definitely should try to go for the EIDL loan extension, EIDL loan expansion, that is now is $500,000 from $150,000.
You have given us such a valuable information on the EIDL loan increase. So how can I apply for this loan?
That's great. I'm glad you asked. The application process is very simple, especially if you're applying for the expansion, if you're applying for the increase in the loan. Just send an email out to PDC Recons, and we'll have the email address listed over there, PDC RECONS, PDC Recons at sba.gov. You must write increase in the subject line and your EIDL 1 loan number. In the email body, simply say I want to increase my EIDL loan. Put the business name, the EIN, the loan number, the loan amount, and the ownership information for your business. If you want, you can include a copy of your tax return, business tax return that is, as well as a signed copy of Form 4506T, so the SBA can request a tax transcript from IRS if they need to. The process is very simple. Just go ahead, write the email, and if SBA needs more information, they'll request you.
That sounds like a simple process, Mr. Kumar. If you can just summarize now about the pros and cons of the EIDL increase.
Definitely. See, it's a government loan. There are no lending fees, there are no monthly fees, no annual fees, no weekly fee. It's not one of those private lenders where the fees are more than the loan itself. So it's a government loan, it's cheap, 3.75% for 30 years. Where else can you get money like that? So it's a great option for your small business to consider this loan. The best part, you don't have to make any payment for the first year. When it comes to cons, you have to remember that all the EIDL loan over $200,000 requires personal guarantee. So let's say, for example, if you have a situation where you got 150,000 for the first time, your business is not doing well, you're not sure if the business is going to survive, you do not want additional loan. If you extend the loan and let's say you got another 60,000, now you have 210,000. In that case, SBA will require you to sign personal guarantee. If you are not sure about the business survival, this is not the loan you want to be applying for. So when it comes to cons, there are not many. You have to consider your business situation. The application process is fairly simple. It's a government loan and it's meant for your business. It's meant to survive. See, the EIDL loan initially came because of the COVID-19 situation. We thought this COVID-19 situation will go away in 3 months, 6 months. After a year, now COVID is still here. So government had to come up with some more money. They want to push some more money. So it's a great option. if your business need it, you should definitely consider applying for this loan.
That was great, Mr. Kumar. It was such a valuable topic for our viewers. I'm sure a lot of business owners can take advantage of this. Thank you so much.
Again, my name is AJ Kumar. I'm an accountant at Science CPA Services. For more information, please stay tuned. We'll be back with you next week.